Okay, this is day 8, guided practice 8.7. There's a lot of stuff in this standard, so make sure that you look through your notes carefully and know all the vocabulary as we move through these guided practice questions and then also your homework today. Number 1, which graph represents a function of x? Remember, we can do the vertical line test for this. Vertical line test. Okay, remember that the vertical line test says that if we draw any vertical line on a graph, it should only touch at one point. So if I take C here, if I draw a vertical line, it touches at 2 points. That is not a function. Okay, if I draw a vertical line on B, it touches in 2 points. So that is not a function. If I draw a vertical line on A, it touches everywhere. Okay, that is not a function. Remember, if it's a vertical line, then it's the slope is undefined. And if I draw a vertical line anywhere here on letter D, I only touch once, so that is a function. All right, so you need to remember vertical line test. You have a bunch of graphs, you can easily tell which ones are functions, which ones are not, just by looking at the graph and using the vertical line test. Okay, number 2. Which relations are functions? Okay, so remember that for a relation to be a function, we have to have every x value go to one y value. Okay, every x goes to one y value. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple here with you, and then I'm going to have you finish the rest. So if I look at this first example, 3 goes to -2, 3 only goes to one y value. 1 goes to 0, that only goes to one y value. But 0 goes to 1, -1, and it goes to 0, goes to 2. So since it goes to 2 values, this would not be a function, okay, because of 0 there. Okay, the next one here, -1 happens once. That x value goes to one y value. Okay, 0 happens twice. Since 0 happens twice, this is not a function because 0 can only go to one y value, but it goes to two y values. It goes to 3 and it goes to 5. Okay, why don't you try the other 4? Look at these two, the exact same that we did up here together, and then use your vertical line test for these two graphs here. All right, so see which of these 4 are functions. And number 3, if f of x is a function and f of 2 equals 8, then which of the following could not be true? Okay, so again, think, if f of 2 equals 8, that means that x equals 2 and y equals 8. Okay, so that means our ordered pair would be 2, 8. All right, so we have this ordered pair 2, 8 here. Which of these would not be true, knowing that f of x is a function? So which one of these, along with 2, 8, would not make f of x a function? So think about that with your group. Remember to make sure to put all of your work here on the right side. That way you get full credit for today's practice.